The universe is one that likes balance and harmony. The idea that one group of people is superior just by birth, ethnically superior, chosen by God, that's not fair. I can say much harsher words, but I promised myself to be nicer. So religions that claim that some ethnic group just are born chosen by God himself, am I gonna even consider? Religions that claim that God is 3 in 1, I think the universe, once you look at everything around you that screams, hey, human being, it's monotheism, but we're too distracted to notice. Everything, look around you. It's monotheism. Look at plants, look at animals, look at the human body. It's monotheism. Keep saying. So that takes care of religions that talk about more than one God. Now let's talk about other religions that talk about racial supremacy. Do I even need to investigate the universe? When it comes to fairness, I remember months ago I watched this funny clip on YouTube. Scientists had 2 monkeys in captivity, and they fed both of them cucumbers, slices of cucumbers, and they would eat them and they're happy. Now all of a sudden, the scientist, as an experiment, gave one of them cucumbers as usual, but the neighboring monkey, he gave them grapes. What happened was unexpected. The one with the grapes was very happy, rushed towards them, ate the grapes, but the one with the cucumbers did nothing at first, and then he took the cucumbers and threw it at the scientist. The feeling of fairness is inherent. It's another fingerprint. It's as if the universe is trying to, you know when you're taking an exam and your best friend is like helping, like cheating, telling you, no, the answer is such and such. The universe is watching out for us, trying to tell us. But is it the universe or is it God trying to, point towards the truth, telling you, here it is, can't you see? Like, don't you have minds to think with? Are you too busy and distracted to notice? My creation is telling you about me. Every artist has a signature style. You look at a painting by Picasso, it looks nothing like a painting by Leonardo da Vinci. Every artist has their own style. It's how we identify them. لله المثل الأعلى. Allah, the same thing, but on a much greater extent. Look at the universe. Don't look for God in holy books at first. If you're confused, just look at the universe around you, so that when you discriminate between books and when you choose between religions, you have something to go off of. The universe is one that likes balance and harmony. The idea that one group of people is superior just by birth, ethnically superior, chosen by God, that's not fair. I can say much harsher words, but I promised myself to be nicer. So religions that claim that some ethnic group just are born chosen by God Himself. Am I gonna even consider? So once you reflect, it's really easy. That like truth is not just looking at you like dead in the eye. It's like neon signs screaming at you like, are you like, can't you see? Can't you think? Anywho,